Hello everyone. In this video we are going to introduce you to a design software. The software is named emdes and this software is developed by Octov Engineering. This software is for design machine components and as all of you may be knowing that designing of machine components needs so much of mathematics. This is a very iteration process and it involves so much calculations and trial calculations to get a final result. And with all this calculation you get demotivated to go further ahead in design work. So this software helps you to do all the calculations and get the final design also. So in this software you can calculate and check your design, and by iterative process you can design a new component also. So this video in this video we are going to show you a uh, PPT, okay, which is designed for introduction of this software. Okay, we'll go ahead with this PPT first. Then I will go to the software and show you how the software has been designed and what it does. So we can get all the calculations done by the software only. The software will do all the calculations for you. Just you have to give the input data. Okay, so this is the page or home screen of the software. Here you can select the module which one you are going to use, like sub design, gear design, fastener design, spring design, or belt drive or chain drive design. The software is in trial and development phase. So what they have introduced is now is a trial version, and in this only few modules are there, and all the further modules are added one by one. Okay, so suppose I will go to next slide. Okay, here subsections of gear. Okay, like spur, helical, bevel gear, worm gear, and here one screenshot of bevel gear design. Here, see here in this step you give all the input data, and for user friendly purpose and for easy to use by the beginner, all the data by default what they are in this text fields or in the input pages is set for in standard industrial design purpose. Okay, so as a beginner, if you don't know some parameters, then you can leave it as it, and it will give a standard output or standard gear or component design as per industrial practices. Okay, for special purpose like aerospace or high performance automobile sector or high performance component, you may have to modify few parameters that you can gain by experience as you grow as a designer. So this is bevel gear page, and this is the spur gear page. Okay, worm gear page. Here, this is sub design page. Okay, so here in sub design you can see there you can see your shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, okay, and fastener design page. Okay, so now I'll go to the software which you can download from the link provided in the description. I'll open the software. So this is the introductory page, and here see this is your home page. Here you can suppose you want to go to a sub design. Okay, so here you can go to back button. You can go to the home screen again. Gear design. Suppose I will select on bevel gear design page. So here I will define all my input parameters. In pinions I will select the material. Okay, material table is also there. You can select the material whatever you can select. Okay, then gear also one page is there. And after providing all the input parameters, you click ready. Then you all the parameters are set by default. You can select if you want to deviate or you need to deviate. Okay, So here your calculation is ready. Okay, all the parameters, see all the output parameters and result is given here. See, okay. Suppose you want to do a new calculation. Okay, so what you can do is you just refresh it. So what will happen is your all the parameters will be set to default parameters. Okay, again you can put your input parameters and do the calculation. Here in most of the sections, two options are there. You can start a new design or you can check your existing design. As you know, in mechanical engineering design, sometimes you have to check the design also. So you can select, if you check, then you can provide some more input parameters. Okay, and then you can check your design. Okay, so I will go back to home page. Okay, I'll show you Spring design page. Okay, so thanks everybody for watching.